Hello and welcome to you from Jude Living a Colourful Life, and I am on day 7 of our personal Pamper plan, and what a wonderful experience it's been making all these different face products and body products and using these amazing oils to really support our well-being at all levels, our body, our mind and our soul. So thank you for joining me, and do skip back videos if you feel you would like to revisit any others. And if you're new to aromatherapy and this is the first time you've popped into the channel, then an especially warm welcome to you. And you will find lots of information about how to blend oils and learning about top, middle and base note oils. So there is lots of information there for you to use in your own home. So thank you for sharing time with me. And I have prepared here just very few ingredients we need for making a fabulous foot care cream. It will be wonderfully moisturising, it will be antifungal, antiviral, anti-infection. So it's really going to be a really super cream to be using on your feet, and my recommendation is that it becomes a sacred practice every night as you're climbing into bed to pop some of this beautiful cream on your feet. So we have some very simple aqueous cream, and you'll find a link for this to purchase this, and it is very simple, and that's what we're using as the base for creating this cream. So I've already filled this little 50ml pot with some aqueous cream. I have a whisk to do my whisking. I've got a little spatula, but a spoon is equally fine for me to top up this little pot when I'm finished adding my oils. And here are my oil choices for today. There are of course many oils to choose from, but these I think are going to go fabulously together. So I have a beautiful blend of oils with kind of top to middle notes and base note oil, which is very nice for nighttime. And for some of you, my base note will be a little bit of a kick back to the 60s, and I have some patchouli oil, and it's very strong aroma. It's one that I guess you either love or you remember and you don't like it, and it's equally fine to choose something else as a lovely base note oil, something that's quite relaxing and soothing and really helpful for restorative sleep and rest if you're going to be using this at night time. But it's equally fine to pop it on your feet in the day. I have balanced the blend with other more lively oils. So I have patchouli here, and I also have a fresh skin, very simple lavender, and that is the balancer of the blend that really helps us cruise along that middle line, which you will have heard me say before if you've listened to my other YouTube videos. I've also decided to use some orange because it will go particularly well with the patchouli. So patchouli is quite deep and woody, and orange has got that warmth, but there's a bit of spice in it. So together they'll make a beautiful combination. And orange is also really soothing. It's the colour of the lower chakras in the body, so it's just a really nice oil, nice colour to have at night time, and it does just help slow everything down. So I'm going to blend those together, and in this little pot I can pop in around 20 drops of oil, but I'm probably going to use slightly less than that, knowing that I can always add. So I'm going to start off with my orange, and I'm going to add 8 orange. Pop that in, and I'm going to pop in 4 lavender. There we go. So that's me got 12 drops, and I'm going to pop in 4 drops of patchouli. Now patchouli will take a while to come out of the bottle, and you tend to find that, I'm just holding it in my hands to warm it, you find that with some of the base note oils, because they're much thicker, much more resinous, and much harder to come out of the bottle. And no matter what you do, it's not going to persuade them. If you jump the bottle up and down or hit it on something, it just doesn't really help. So we just have to be patient. So let me drop 4 drops of patchouli, and I'm just going to lift this so that I can see them dropping. 1. Once it starts coming, 2. See, it's much slower. It's a beautiful amber colour. Oh, I can smell it wafting towards me. There we are. Pop the lid on, and then let's mix and see what happens. So blending away there, just half filled with the aqueous cream, which means there's plenty of space for giving it a good old whisk. If you fill it too much, then the cream just all splurters out the sides, so it's not too helpful. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going to breathe out and breathe in. That is quite woody. That is quite a strong patchouli. So I am going to address that by adding a little bit more orange. And I still have enough drops to do that. So I'm just going to pop in 3 more orange, and that will just soften and take the edge off the patchouli, which I'm feeling is maybe just a little bit on the strong side. Keeping in mind I still have to top this up, so I'm getting a kind of high dilution just now because I've only half filled the pot. That's it. That's all I needed to do. Sometimes just a few drops of something just shifts the blend, and it's just gorgeous. Oh, that's going to be so beautiful to anoint into my feet at night, or in fact any time of the day. Even just as you start your evening, if you know that you're going to be sitting relaxing, you could rub it into your feet even while you're watching something on telly or a movie on Netflix or whatever. So I'm just going to top this up. There we are. And give it another little whisk. How exciting. All these little lovely opportunities to nurture yourself, whether it's a refreshing morning aromatherapy ritual, whether it's punctuating your day with catching the aroma from a cream that you've created, whether it's finishing work, having a shower, coming home from the gym, anointing yourself in oils, whatever it is, whenever it happens, it is such a lovely practice to honour yourself. And I am so grateful if you've been joining me for these little video clips to learn how to really take such good care of yourself. So let me just pop a little bit of that onto the back of my hand. Oh, just lovely. And it's really great if you can use this regularly, because the oils will continue to work for you as your helpers. So the patchouli is an amazing antifungal. So it means that if you're rubbing it into your nails and into your feet all the time, eventually it just removes those issues of any fungal conditions in the feet or in the nails or the skin. So it's a really good way, you know, to have the balancing lavender, which balances emotions, it balances systems, functions in the body. So it's just really nice to take the chance to let the oils be daily helpers. And they do stay in your system 24/7 if you're using oils every day, which is just really special, because it means we're supporting our well-being all the time. And certainly never a day goes by without me using oils in many shapes and forms, and supports the immune system. They have so many wonderful functions, and fantastic for helping support our emotional well-being, because the aromas just fill us up and they are feel good. And always when you're making a blend of any kind, anything at all, you have to absolutely love it. So when you open the lid and inhale it, it has to really speak to you. There are so many blends that you can use. There is no compromise. You don't need to say, oh well, I'll just use that. I don't like it very much, but I'll just use it. Absolutely no. Let it go, start again. It's definitely something that with so many oils, so many aromas, you will always manage to find something that works for you. And I do hope that some of these little recipes I've shared with you will be helpful. And if you have any questions or any comments, or there are any oils you want to know more about, please do pop something in the comments so that I know and I can help and respond. So thanks for sharing time. Thank you if you've been here each day for some personal pamper time. And do know you can revisit the videos anytime and find all the products there after the videos if you click the little arrow that points down the way beside the title, and there they are. They're all there for you to hop straight in and get your supplies so you can nourish yourself beautifully at home, and your loved ones and your family and your friends and all the people that are around you. Infuse your home with aromatherapy and infuse your life with aromatherapy and with colour. So it's bye from Jude Chi. Thank you for being with me, and do subscribe if you would like to see more, and hit the bell if you would like to have a little tinkle on the phone to let you know that another video is there for you to share time with me. So thanks for being here, and have a beautiful rest of day.